We've created the first combo box and label, and next we'll add a combo box for the part and then one for the location. And we have created named lists on the worksheet, and we'll be using those as the row source for these combo boxes. A quick way to create duplicates is to copy and paste something you've already created. So I'm going to drag on the user form so that I'm going over at least part of the label and combo box, and that will select it. When I let go the mouse, both the label and combo box are selected, so I can copy and go up to the toolbar and click copy, or I could use the Control-C shortcut. And then to paste, I can click the paste button or Control-V. So I'll paste once and then just move that up a little bit. I'll paste again and move that one down a little bit. I'm not going to worry about lining everything up right now. I'll do that a little bit later. So we've got our 3 combo boxes and labels, but they all say part type right now. So this one is going to be for the part. So I've selected the combo box and I'm going to change its name to CBO part. So double click on the name property, type CBO part, and press enter. For its row source, we're going to use the part cell list. So scroll down to row source, double click and type part cell list and press enter. This combo box is going to have 2 columns. We're going to show both the part ID and the part description. So we'll scroll up to find the column count. And here it's 1, so we'll change that to 2. Next, we'll change its label so that the caption here is part instead of part type. So for the caption, you can double click on type and just backspace a couple of times to remove that. And the third combo box is for the location. So click the combo box, change its name to CBO Loc, and press enter. Its row source will be location list. Double click, location list, and press enter. And its column count will be 1. So we'll just check that, and that's what we want here. We'll change the label caption and make that location and press enter. The 3 combo boxes and labels are set up. I'm going to save the file before we go on to the next step.